Alright, got me a bonus. Okay. Bonus. I think there's multipliers in this. I never really had bonuses too much. Like I said, I don't even play this game that often. But I'm sure glad I sat down and played it. Those look good. I am so glad I sat down here and started playing this game. Because I'm winning now. I won more on this game than I won anywhere else. Totally amazing. That's just totally amazing. Heart throb. Look at that bonus. This is totally amazing, man. That was my second spin. Thank you, Heart Throb. $183. Holy shit. I want my money back. Totally amazing. Did I say this is totally amazing? It is totally amazing. Oh, come on. Drop me some. I can't get greedy. I'm just getting greedy now. Jesus Christ, man. And that was pretty good for a $2 bet. That's it. Backup spin. And that's it. Thanks for watching.